Hi there, here we are with our patient Peter. Peter just stopped by the office today. He's 8 months post-op from a MaxHarvest hair transplant procedure. He had all frontal work done. He lost the hair from his frontal hairline to the mid-vertex, and we did the one procedure, and he's not even fully grown out. How was the process for you, my friend?
Unbelievable, unbelievable, man. Very happy.
When he came in, my mouth went down because he looked like a kid. We pulled his pictures up and we said, "You look like the son of the person that you were 8 months ago." What do your family and friends think?
Oh, they're amazed. Amazed.
Yeah.
They said rejuvenated.
Good, that's awesome. And you're doing the treatments, Propecia, Rogaine?
Propecia, the Rogaine.
Excellent, excellent. And during the healing process, did you swell? Did you have any pain?
No, man, that was awesome.
Okay,
Awesome,
man, awesome. Okay, so basically what we did was we went all the way around. We recreated this nice new hairline. None of this existed. This whole front's been recreated. Just gonna turn you a little bit. So this whole new profile has been recreated with the tiny little one hair grafts all the way around the front. So it looks super soft and natural. And then if you follow it around, we built all the way through, created pretty much a no recession hairline. This hairline was all the way back here. And then we just kind of went through and made it super soft and natural, blended all the way in. I'm going to show the suture line. We took the suture line all the way. Let's see if I can even find it. Okay. Can't find my own suture line, buddy. Can't even find it. Look at this. Where is it? Where is it, Josh?
That's the whole point.
There. Where? No, seriously.
Yeah, the whole point is you can't see it.
Can't even see it. Okay, there it is. This, let me go, barely. Oh my gosh, he healed perfect, my man. Can't freaking see it. Look at this. So the suture line, if it existed, this would be it right here. See this? It's right through there. You can see that little trace line in there. That's wild. Can't see it. Look at it. Can't even see it. Look at that. That would be it. Holy crap, man. This is like one of the best ever. I kid you not. Look at that. That's the suture line.
No different than
Isn't that wild?
No
Look at
different
that.
than a normal crease.
Can't see it, man. Look at there it is. That's the best you're gonna see it right there. So unbelievable, unbelievable, literally unbelievable.
Hi. That was awesome.
So and then if you look here, it just came out great. So anyways, awesome results. If you were to come back and do another, we would just kind of tighten that up and close it off. Obviously not required. He's got an amazing result. What would you say to the person sitting at home who's thinking about doing this?
Come, man. Come quick. You're missing out.
All right, man.
Awesome.
Thanks so much for doing the video
Are you
for
kidding
us.
me?
Congratulations.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you.